Hi there and welcome to this instruction video of our new feature, Personal Messages. In this video, I will show you what the added value of this new feature is and how you can use it in your Cadonation Select platform. So first things first, as you might already know, at Cadonation, we help you improve the impact of your gifting policy. As we often say, a gift is only a carrier of the message, and that's why we already enabled you with the opportunity to add a gift card with a personal message every time you send out a gift. And with this new feature, we take it a step further, as from now on, you will also be able to add other people and invite them to write their own personal messages to surprise the receiver of this gift even more. Now, how will this work, or how do you do this in the Cadonation Select platform? Well, very easy. You start by ordering a gift. You can choose from a number of different occasions, and let's say that we are going to surprise a colleague for his or her birthday. So we click on birthday, and then you can choose between a voucher or one of our many very surprising and cool physical gifts. Let's say that we go for this delicious cherry cake box. We click on it, we select the right items, and then we choose recipients. Now, this will look familiar as this is the normal ordering flow, but here you will see something new here at greeting cards. You can, of course, add a greeting card with your own personal message, or, and this is the new feature right here, invite other colleagues to add their personal message. Click it on, and this new text appears with some more information about personal messages, but more importantly, here you can add the people who will be able to write their personal message. Click on Add Contributors, and you can add people from your team. We will already be here. You can select employees, or you can add people manually, or you can also even add yourself. Why not? Let's do that first. And then you're almost good to go. So what happens next? The moment you finish up your order, all the people that you added as contributors will receive an email, and they will be able to type down their personal message. Now, how will the person receive these messages? Well, we added and we pimped our classic physical greeting card or wish card right here, and we add a QR code right here. And thanks to this QR code, the person who will receive the gift, he or she will be able to scan it, and they will see a very cool interface with all the different messages lined up along each other. And with this new feature, we hope to make your gifting even more impactful, thanks to the Cadonation Select platform. In case you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And for now, we wish you best of luck with optimizing your gift policy. See you next time.